Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon, everybody. My name is Kalin. I've been guitarist for over 12 years now. I got 2 successful bands and a single album. And in today's video, we'll be talking about how to djent. In some of my other videos, we discussed about djent and how it came to life in around 2009. It quickly became popular in the internet. So the first technique that we're going to be talking about is slapping with a pick. What I mean by that is just yeah, so what I did there is playing the open string and palm muting it, and whenever we hit the open note without muting it, it just sounds more slappy. You can do it either upwards or downwards. It's like regular picking, but you want to do it with a bit more attack so that you can hear the dynamic. And the other thing that I want to stress is playing the upper octave again with the lower note. The other thing that we're going to talk about is how to purr. Purring is a guitar technique where it comes from palm muting like at least 4 strings, and the distance between the first 3 and the 4th should be 5 notes. See the difference between regular power chord and this one? It just sounds a bit different, like a bit palm muted, and that palm mute, it just stays throughout the whole time. Next thing we're going to talk about is going as low as possible. So in the modern music, we've got not only 6 strings, but 7 strings, 9 strings, even 12 strings. The guitar that I have right here with me is a 7 string, and I've tuned it down to G. So we can go as low as we want. Yeah, I don't know if you noticed, but that low string just doesn't have that same tension as it used to have because I've lowered it down. And another thing I want to mention is the thicker the strings, the better it will be to play a lower note. But at the same time, if you've got a longer neck, then it will sound a lot better than if it was a shorter one. And because the string would be a lot tighter. How low can we go? I hope you liked this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.